Alright guys, we're back with another technical video. Today I'll be going through your question, answering it, and hopefully you find your solution that you need. Guys, remember to stay just a little bit crazy like me, and hopefully you get to that resolution. Now, let's continue on to the video. And that's it guys. I hope the video has helped find you to that resolution and you're able to get through your problem. If it did guys, please hit subscribe, I really appreciate it. It does help me out. And until next time, have a good one.